Hello and happy Monday! I'm working on editing last week's vlog and I've listened to about half of the Tom Sandoval Howie Mandel interview. Howie Mandel is a terrible podcaster. I'm not sure how he has a podcast. That man is not articulate in the least bit. Like, he's a garbage podcaster. At least from this one I've listened to. Maybe he's had brilliant conversations with other people, but even his ad felt like it was just him rambling. It didn't feel like he was convincing me to buy something. That's a total aside. Sandoval is an idiot. That man's an idiot. Every other word out of his mouth is like, well, you know. And I'm just like, please stop. But like the excuses. And blaming Ariana for trusting him. Blaming Ariana for actually putting in work via couples therapy, which is what you're supposed to do. Not fond of it. Anyway, I'm gonna keep editing this video. There's nothing really exciting going on today. I did go to the chiropractor this morning, and it is freaking cold today, which is weird. I've got biker shorts on, and I was not prepared. It's cold this morning. Yeah, I think I might bake muffins today. I'm thinking raspberry white chocolate chip. We'll see. I have my massage later. I am realizing I'm terrible at remembering to film my food. It's kind of a little goal I was working on in the last video. Terrible at it, but I am going to try and put more effort into actually posting my food on my food Instagram. I've got a whole Instagram page for food. I may as well use it. So I'm going to try and be better at that. We'll see. I am a little hungry right now. I'm like talking myself into it actually. I haven't had any breakfast and I got up really early. Got up at like 6:30 and it's 9 and I've had nothing but iced coffee. So maybe I will get a little snack and then keep editing. But that's the plan today. I don't have a ton going on work-wise, so it's just going to be me handling things as they come in. So I do have a little more leeway. Maybe I'll get a little cleaning done. I do have this. I do owe you guys this, but I don't think I'm going to get to filming this until tomorrow because I don't like to wear something nice on chiropractor/massage days. So I'm probably going to just stay in this little athletic jacket and my biker shorts. And I don't feel like changing into something cuter. So that'll be a tomorrow, but this vlog should be up today or tomorrow, so it'll be something. I think that's it. I do need to watch España that came out yesterday, Drag Race España. It's literally the best Drag Race series. If you haven't watched España, you gotta just deal with it, put up with the subtitles. I know no one likes reading subtitles, it's a pain in the butt, but it's the best show, the best one. Okay, I'm done rambling. Good morning. I'm going to keep editing. Talk to y'all in a little bit. So I full on just have not recorded at all today. I made muffins. There was some tough stuff happening at work. So, yeah. And then I walked to my massage and I didn't record any of that. I didn't record any of the walk home. So I ended up talking to like my grandma on FaceTime. And then, yeah, it was just so late. By the time I got home, I made dinner, and it was like almost watching my shows. Yeah, so I've just not recorded anything at all today. It is what it is. It'd be like that sometimes. It'd be like that. Hello and happy Wednesday. I did not film a lick of footage yesterday because honestly I didn't really do anything. I was very, very busy with work because my boss is heading out on vacation today. So I just had a lot of things going on and there were like order changes and stuff. So very busy and didn't film anything. And honestly, I didn't do anything. It's been like weirdly chilly again. And I ate the exact same things almost that I ate on Mondays. Like y'all missed nothing. I am dressed today. I'll show you guys my outfit shortly. I'm going to be putting on a face in a little bit to film my Kinder Beauty. But right now I am focused on getting myself a new laptop case. My laptop was that weird, it's a Mac, and it's from that weird period, like 2019, 2020, where they like changed up all the little ports and now you need like a connector to connect things to the computer. It's so annoying. And basically it's a very niche time period for cases, and I also like my cases to have kickstands because I like it angled up a little, so like finding a case is annoying. I have one that I specifically like that you can find from different brands. They're just all white labeled on Amazon, and the purple one, which is what I have now, I can't find on Prime because I'm not paying for shipping. So now I'm stuck between sky blue, which is not really sky blue, I want to say it's like cerulean or something, and khaki, which is really like a cream. So one's playful, one's serene. I'm kind of stuck there. Today, I might end up planting some of the plants I bought from Lowe's over the weekend. So if I do that, I'll show you guys that. I got a bunch of, what am I calling it? Lavenders. That's what it's called. I'm like, why can't I think of it? I got a bunch of lavenders that are going to go in the yard and one for the deck. And I have like a lettuce plant, basil, and a tomato plant. So I need to get those going. And I need to remember to water them every day. I've been forgetting that. And that's what the day is looking like. I hopefully, fingers crossed, will have a nice, slow and peaceful week and a half or so while my boss is on vacation. I hope she's having a lovely time. Maybe I can get some cleaning done around the house. I don't know, we'll see. But let me show you what I'm wearing. So here's the outfit. I've got the Amazon slip dress, and I've got my really cute little flower crop top, sheer flower crop top. I've had this for a few years now. I got this at Zara several years back before the pandemic. These are J. Crew little lemon earrings. They're so cute, and like I said, I don't remember if this is J. Crew or Loft. There's no tags on it to indicate. I guess it'd be safe to say J. Crew because I just don't remember. No shoes on at the moment. I don't really know if I'll be leaving the house, to be completely honest. But I am filming and I want it to have like a cute outfit. So this is the look. It's cold today. Well, at least right now. I woke up and it was 45 degrees. So I needed something kind of covering me up a little more than what I was planning to wear, which was just a comfy mini dress around the house. So yeah, it should hit the 70s today, and I think it'll be warmer the next few days, which I'm so happy about because I do get to leave the house tomorrow. I can leave the house whenever I want, but like, I mean, I have an actual outing. I'm getting some Botox, so that'll be fun. So here's the outfit of the day because we're about to go out to the store. I have added these Target Road sunglasses from the collab that just came in the mail today, and I got two other things I will show you when we get back from grocery shopping. I threw on my white pointed boots because I was already wearing socks and my feet have been cold today, so I just didn't feel like taking them off for a different shoe. And then my last frame checkered bag, which I think looks perfect with the flowers. It's like the same exact yellow. It looks so cute, and that is my outfit of the day. Okay, we're back from the store. It was a very quick trip. We literally just needed vegan mayonnaise to make potato salad. So here are the red ones. They obviously don't go with this outfit. Well, I guess in some world they could. I don't know. I don't know if I love these. They feel a little dark. Austin's yelling up to me. But I don't know, I'm gonna think about these ones. These ones might go back. I'm not wild about them. It's giving the Black Parade, which I don't hate, but I don't know if it's me. So I'm gonna think on these ones. Here is the only dress I bought. I love the print. I think it's really pretty. It looks better in person than it does online, but it's going back for a couple of reasons. The straps are too long and not adjustable. I would want them to sit up here, and I can't adjust it. So obviously that's something I could have fixed, tailored really easily, but the pockets also fall at the weirdest spot on my particular body, making me look even wider than my hips are to begin with, which I don't hate, but also then it goes straight into this flutter, which then makes me look even wider. So I think maybe this dress is going back. She's not great on me. I think someone taller or someone more slender would probably look great in this. So that was everything. I only got those 3 things. I sent a picture to my friends in the red sunglasses and they agreed that red was just a little too intense for me. So I'm going to return the red sunglasses and the dress. I do wish the dress was cut just a little different, or maybe didn't have pockets. I can't believe I'm saying I wish the dress didn't have pockets, but the pockets just sit weird in that dress. I would have been so pretty. The print was really beautiful, but I have to say it also wasn't made very well. There were strings hanging out in a couple of different places, so it's for the best to send it back. I just wasn't vibing a lot of this collection this go around, but I do love these sunglasses. I'm gonna go put them in my sunglass bin downstairs, and Austin is just about done making lunch. We're having chickpea salad sandwiches, so I'm gonna go eat because I'm starving. Hello and happy Thursday. I went and got my Botox this morning, so hopefully I'm nice and snatched up there at some point. Austin got a haircut, first time since pre-pandemic. He said it feels much cooler.
Well, not the first haircut, first short haircut.
Yeah. And I am making bean burger for lunch because I'm so hungry. Hello and happy Friday. Let the record state that today, on this fine day, I sewed a garment. I didn't sew the garment, but I sewed the hole in the garment. It is the shittiest ragtag job, but it works. And there's no longer a hole. Well, if I could find the seam where that should go. Here we go. I mean, not the prettiest, but it works. There's not a hole there anymore, and I can wear this again. So, feeling pretty bitchin' right now. This one I could not work on because we left the hooks down with Austin's mom with her sewing stuff down at her condo. So I'm gonna have to get one of those and bring it home when we're down there in a few weeks. But I did fix this one and I'm very pleased. I'm gonna throw it back in the closet now. We're out at the Mount Vernon Soaps Night Market, just kind of chilling, checking things out. Joseph and Shannon decided they needed their picture with the RBG. Austin took a bunch of pictures with me and Heather.
He must have changed his Instagram.
Heather didn't ball hard to cross the street. Here's our food. I got a falafel wrap and Austin got the vegan chicken shawarma, and then it came with pickles and potatoes. I got a spicy red pepper sauce and he got an avocado lime sauce. Hello and technically happy Sunday. It's like 1 in the morning. We left everybody at the bar. I can't hang. Can't hang. Saturday. Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. Hello and happy Saturday, technically. Jesus, I'm dropping my phone. We're home. Retainer in, so I've brushed my teeth and I've flossed. What kind of other person goes out drinking and flosses? This girl does. Did my face routine. And now I'm ready to go to bed. I can't hang. I'm so tired. I had 3 drinks, although that 1 drink probably counted as multiple because our friend works there and makes them way too strong. Not cool. Not cool. But I did drink a ton of water, but I did start the evening out with a beer. It was just beer weather, and I shouldn't have because I know that drinking beer makes my stomach upset. So I know tomorrow I'll have an upset tummy, but I'm hoping it's not that bad since I drank a ton of water. But honestly, even 1 beer sometimes upsets my tummy, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm so tired. I'm gonna go to bed now. Good night. Hello, an actual Saturday. Happy Saturday. I've got my smoothie and I'm just soaking up the beautiful morning. It's a little cool, but honestly, it feels nice at this moment. When I have drinks, the next day I turn into a hobbit, and I need breakfast and second breakfast. So this is breakfast number 1, and then I'll do something with like fiber or something after this. They're building a house over there, so it's a little bit loud. But it's actually a gorgeous day right now. It's supposed to rain at some point later, but right now it's beautiful. So I'm soaking it in. I'll probably be indoors when it rains anyway, because I'm getting my tattoo. Yeah, last night was a lot of fun. We ran into a bunch of people that we knew, and from like a long time ago, people we grew up with. Because my brother was with me too, but Austin ran into people he grew up with too, so it's like a lot of socializing. But now I'm mentally drained and also a little bit tired because I got so hot at night and I was too lazy to get out of bed and turn the fan on, so I just kept rolling back and forth to the opposite side of the pillow, because once I got one side hot, I'd go to the cool side, which is so silly. But I'm gonna have my smoothie now, which is delicious, and chill. We're at the tattoo convention, and I just got my new tattoo. We're home from the tattoo convention. I'm so tired. So tired. I've changed into comfy clothes. And we've ordered some food, and we're just gonna loaf around the rest of the day because it's like rainy now. So perfect loafing weather, I would think. Hello and happy Sunday! Got a cute little outfit on. There will be a reel, so I'll put that up whenever I get around to that. I am having my leftover hand of kush, and Austin's too. He didn't want jollof rice for breakfast. And then I'm trying the Elmhurst pistachio creamer. I think I like the caramel macchiato better. This one's not bad. It just doesn't have much pistachio flavor. It's kind of lightly sweet, but that's about it. So I will certainly keep using it, but I don't think I'd buy that one again over the caramel one. So it occurs to me I did not really film anything all day. Oops. We ran errands. I returned stuff to Target, the Target designer collab stuff that I didn't like, and then we picked up some dirt for a project in the yard, and then we got some groceries, and none of it was particularly exciting. You could totally see me recording myself in these glasses. I wanted to show you guys these glasses. I bought these yesterday at the tattoo convention. They are handmade, and they're so cute. I put them on, and I was like, okay, they're coming home. I love them. They're so cute. So I worked out for the first time in forever today. I did some Maddie, whatever her last name is, videos. Some arm ones. Austin did arm workouts like Thursday or something, and he's still sore, so I feel like I have that to look forward to. Great. And yeah, that's what we've been doing today. Just practical stuff, I guess. And naps. We took naps. That was really nice.